With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. A tank filled with a liquid of height 12.5 cm. The apparent depth of the needle lying at the bottom of the tank is measured by a microscope to be 10 cm. If the water is replaced by a water of refractive index 1.66 up to the same height, by what distance in mm would the microscope be moved to focus on the needle again? So earlier the distance measured was this, right? Now we want the distance through which the microscope should be moved so that it could focus the needle again, right? So let us calculate the apparent depth of the needle now if the refractive index is changed. So if you see, let's say this is the tank, and in this tank up to this height liquid is filled. And if I talk about the apparent height, let's say this is the height h. So apparent height, h apparent, will be equals to h by mu, right? So if you see, earlier the apparent height was given, it is this. You can calculate the new apparent height since you know that the height of the liquid is 12.5 and the mu is now 1.66. So after division you will get the apparent height as this. Now if you see here, earlier the apparent height was 10 centimeter, right? So the microscope was also reading this 10 centimeter. Now what we have to do, we have to shift the microscope so that it could read this apparent, it could focus on this needle and it can cover up this apparent height. So how much it should be shift? So I will write the shift in the needle. It should be equals to 10 minus this distance, right? Because earlier it was this microscope was settled to see this needle at a apparent depth of 10 centimeter, but now the apparent depth is this. So the microscope should be shifted this much, and this is equals to 4.7 centimeter. So answer is asked in mm, so we'll write it as 24.7 mm. Right? If you see, it is said that the distance in mm, and this will be the answer of this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.